Today we will try to do this exercise. How to do that I will show you today. So we're starting from warm up. We take two legs open, back, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. After that, we take one leg like this. Another leg, we try to take here. And turn our body and push elbows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly go down. And our hands go and hug right leg. So slowly take stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that you can take hand and push leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out again. Slowly back. Take a breath. Slowly breathe out. And go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it and follow me. So bye.